Hey glow girls, welcome back. Is your skin looking tired, dull, dry, and lacking that youthful bounce? Then today's simple homemade remedy is just for you. First, I'm taking a bowl of rice. Rice has been used in natural beauty routines for generations because it is rich in beneficial nutrients and is often associated with smoother and brighter looking skin. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of rice into a clean glass jar. Rice is loved in DIY skincare because it helps the skin look soft, refreshed, and healthy.
Like the video if you love rice.
Next, I'll pour in a little water and gently swirl it around to wash the rice. Once it's cleaned, I'll drain away the cloudy water. Now I'm adding 1 cup of fresh water back into the jar. Finally, I'll close the lid securely and we're ready for the next step.
Why don't you tell your favorite DIY remedy in the comment? I'd love to hear from you.
Now we're taking a fresh cucumber. I'm going to cut the cucumber into thin slices so it's easier to blend. Cucumber is one of my favorite natural skincare ingredients because it feels incredibly refreshing and is known for its hydrating property. It also helps the skin look fresh, soft, healthy, making it perfect addition to this DIY. Now I'll transfer all the cucumber slices into a hand blender jar.
Consistency is key when it comes to skincare, so don't expect overnight results. Pair your skincare routine with plenty of water, nutritious food, and good sleep for healthy looking skin from inside out.
Next, I'm adding the soaked rice along with the rice water we prepared earlier. By soaking the rice, it becomes softer and blends much more smoothly with the cucumber. Now it's time to blend everything together until we get a smooth and creamy mixture. Just keep blending until there are no large pieces left and the texture looks silky and well combined. And honestly, glow girls, the mixture already looks so perfect and nourishing. Now our mixture is nice and smooth, so I'm going to strain it into another clean bowl. Which step are you enjoying the most so far? Blending, straining, or mixing? Take your time with this step and gently press the mixture using a spoon or spatula to extract as much liquid as possible. While we are waiting, here's a little glow reminder for you. No DIY works overnight, so be patient and stay consistent. Small daily habits like drinking enough water, eating colorful fruits and vegetables, getting good sleep, and protecting your skin from the skin can make a real difference over time. Now I'm setting the leftover bulb aside, and can we just take a moment to appreciate this beautiful sage green color? It's honestly one of my favorite shades. Now I'm taking half of the strained liquid and transferring it into a saucepan. By the way, if you're enjoying this recipe so far, I'd really appreciate your support. Please like this video and subscribe. Next we have cornstarch. Cornstarch helps give our DIY a smooth and creamy texture, making it easier to apply evenly on the skin. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch absorbs excess oil from the skin, letting it feel fresh and smooth. It creates a soft, focused effect that makes the skin look smoother and more refined. Give everything a good mix until the cornstarch is completely dissolved. Now it's going onto the stove over a low heat. Keep stirring continuously as the mixture begins to warm up. You'll notice it slowly changing from a thin liquid into silky, creamy consistency. Once it became nice and thick, turn off the heat and transfer the cream into a clean glass bowl. Just look at that beautiful texture.
If you love simple DIY skincare like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more natural beauty recipes.
Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is loved in natural skincare because it's known for its soothing and hydrating properties. Now give it a really good mix until the aloe vera is completely blended into the cream. Next, I'm adding 6 to 7 drops of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a popular source of skincare ingredient that often used to provide extra nourishment and help support a healthy looking skin barrier. Mix everything together until the mixture is smooth. Honestly, glow girls, the cream looks so soft and silky already. Now our cream is ready and look at that beautiful silky texture. I'm transferring it into a clean container so it is easy to store and use whenever needed. You can use this cream 2 to 3 times a week as part of your skincare routine. Leave it on until it's fully absorbed into your skin. A little goes a long way, so you don't need to apply a thick layer. I'm applying a small amount to my skin and gently massaging it using an upward motion. This cream feels lightweight, smooth, and refreshing on the skin. Take your time while applying it and allow it to absorb naturally. And while this beautiful cream absorbs, tell me in the comment which is your favorite DIY skincare ingredient. Now I'm taking a bowl of flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and beneficial plant compounds that make them a favorite ingredient in both wellness and beauty routines. They are often included in DIY skincare recipes because they help create a naturally smooth gel-like texture. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of flax seeds into a saucepan. Next, I'm pouring in some water and give everything a quick stir. Now it's time to place the saucepan on low heat. As the mixture warms up, keep stirring gently and watch the magic happen. Little by little, the flax seeds begin to release their natural gel, creating a smooth and thick consistency. I'm placing a clean muslin cloth over another bowl and carefully pouring the mixture onto it. Then I'll gently squeeze the cloth to extract every bit of the smooth, silky gel while leaving the seeds behind. Take your time with this step. The smoother the gel, the better the final texture will be. Look at that beautiful glossy texture. It looks so smooth, lightweight, and refreshing. The silky and shiny gel is here. Now we have the rice and cucumber mixture. I'm adding almost 6 tablespoons of that beautiful green cucumber and rice liquid that we prepared earlier. Look at that gorgeous natural color. It's already so fresh and calming. Next, I will give everything a good mix until the flaxseed gel and the sweet liquid are completely combined. You'll notice the texture becoming light, smooth, and beautiful and silky. And finally, I'm transferring the mixture into a beaker. The beaker makes it much easier to pour and transfer without making a mess. Now, I'm transferring our smooth cucumber flax seeds mixture into a clean container. Look at that silky texture. You can use this serum up to 3 times a week as part of your skincare routine. I'm applying a small amount to the skin and gently spreading it evenly. The texture feels light, fresh, and refreshing, making it perfect for a simple skincare routine. Allow the serum to absorb naturally into the skin without drying it off. Remember, glow girls, consistency is more important than using too much product. Small, regular habits often give the best results. Now, let's make a refreshing facial mist with the remaining liquid. I'm taking the leftover green liquid and pouring it into a beaker. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of clean water. Give everything a really good mix so the ingredients are evenly combined. This step creates a lighter, refreshing formula that's perfect for a quick skin pick-me-up throughout the day. Now, I'm carefully transferring the mixture into a spray bottle. And just like that, we have 2 homemade skincare products from one simple recipe, a creamy treatment and a refreshing facial mist. I absolutely love making the most of every ingredient and nothing goes to waste. I'm spraying a light layer onto the skin and it instantly feels cool, refreshed and soothing. This mist is perfect whenever your skin needs a quick refresh throughout the day. Simply close your eyes and spray it evenly on your face from a comfortable distance. You can use this facial mist up to 4 times a day or whenever your skin feels dry, tired or in need of a little boost. And now it's time to use the leftover pulp that we saved earlier. Nothing goes to waste in the DIY. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats and is loved in natural skincare for leaving the skin feeling soft, smooth and nourished. Now give everything a good mix until the olive oil is evenly combined with the pulp.
And just like that, we have a simple homemade scrub.
Now I'm transferring it into a cute little bowl. You can use this scrub once a week as part of your skincare routine. Exfoliation can help remove surface buildup and leave the skin feeling soother and refreshed. And honestly, Glow Girls, I love that we created this scrub from ingredients that we might otherwise have gone to waste. I'm applying a small amount and gently massaging it onto the skin. The texture feels rich yet gentle, making it perfect for a little self-care moment. If you try it, let me know in the comment. I'd love to hear your experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe and join our Glow family for more natural beauty recipes. Take care of your skin, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.